Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to give you a quick tip about setting up your RV desk or your home desk. This device could be used in both home or in your RV, anywhere you have your home desk or office situated. A lot of people are using their spaces from home these days, and one of the problems you're running into is so many devices to plug in, and all your plugs are located on the wall, under the desk, or away from the device, making it real hard to charge. So I'm going to show you a quick tip, something you can install to make your life a little easier. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so this is what a typical desk, home desk or in your RV looks like. You may have a little light, a fan, your laptop, GoPro to charge, just stuff to plug. But the plug is located all the way on the bottom here. And as you can see, it's already being utilized by two things. I can put a 6-way or 4-way and use it, but still I have to go all the way on the bottom of the desk to get what I need charged. So I'm going to show you something I installed, and I'll show you the device first. I've already installed it. We'll do the installation at the end of the video. So this is the device. It's a pop-up plug, just pulls up, and the plugs are located right here. So what that allows you to do is charge your devices. Now, instead of going all the way down here, I can plug in my laptop, plug in my little light. My laptop's now charging. My GoPro batteries, instead of using a brick like this one, this comes with 2 USB ports, so you could plug directly into it. I just need one right here. Plug my batteries in now. Now my batteries are charging. Put that over here. This little fan, I could plug it in the other one. So you'll have all your devices plugged right here, which makes it a lot easier to access your charged devices. It has a little, like I said, a 2.5-inch screw. And it has this bottom piece that screws onto that to hold it in the table. Let's get started installing it. So first I'm going to remove the bottom part. So you'd remove this. It goes this way up. Simple install. It's hard to do with one hand. Drop it in. This is what it looks like when it's recessed. Okay, let me put the screw on the bottom. Real easy install, guys. And I'm just gonna tighten this. Okay, so this is what it looks like once it's installed. It just looks like a puck on the table. And that's what it looks like on the bottom. So it's out of the way if you put it far back enough. I put it right close to the metal so it doesn't get in anyone's way. But it would look like. And then on the bottom, it would look like this once it's up. Okay guys, thanks for watching this quick tip video. And if it's something you think you want to install at your home, on your desk, or in your RV, the link is down in my description. Check it out. You could buy one of these. It's real easy to install. It's going to take you less than 20 minutes. Subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow. I appreciate it. Please push a like button. Leave a comment. Tell me if that's something you think you would like to install in your RV or at your home. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.